Hello, Wendy Antonucci here, and I thought I would share a look at my scrapbook area. This is in my bedroom. This is where I scrapbook, and there's my little office area. And I thought I would just show you around before we get started this year. So this is where I do my editing and such. Here is a piece my husband made. It holds my paper dividers and my stackable trays. Down in the bottom, baskets, which are from Target and IKEA. Most all my stuff is actually from those two places. Is my Thickers and my Bella Boulevard, some of their stash. My sewing machine that doesn't get used very often. I have some stuff hanging on my walls. I just hung some of my pages there. I have some of these carts. My carts are actually from Michael's. I like the colors better. So this one has a lot of my planner things in it and my December daily, which I haven't finished yet. And I should really get back to that. And then I have another one over here. This has my L Studio, some more Bella Boulevard, and just some of my odds and ends I use often. Here on my desk, I have this little tray thing that holds my scissors, my glue, and my pens. Here's some mixed media, my distress crayons, and then doilies, which I love, so I have a whole stack of them. I have my trimmer right here, Fiskar trimmer. This is actually set up to do some recording. So there's my lights and my little arm to hold my camera. Here's my ATG gun that I use. Right under here, because it was actually a kitchen island, I have just a Sterlite drawer, 3-drawer, and some baskets on top that hold some more of my stuff. And I stash most of my stuff in this lovely closet that is in our room. So I have some tools from We Are Memory Keepers. I love the little Sterlite containers. I use a lot of those, as you can see. I have stickers, small letter stickers. I have a lot of stuff from Paper House Studios. Just some more trays and such, full of paper. Then more things down here, a little bit bigger. In here, I actually have all my layouts that are waiting to be put away. And they are at least in a container this is the family container. And then I have one for each individual person. I know a lot of us have stacks and stacks of layouts that need to be put away. Well, I actually have my kids sort them and put their own away, or get them all ready, and then we put them away together. So I have paints in here. I don't think I can pull this out. Stickles, some more painting items and such. But in here I just keep odds and ends that I still like to use, but they're not my daily things. So this is where I hang out when I have time. And I thought today I would share with you what my most important items are that I consider a staple in my room. Oh, and I forgot, there's another IKEA cube over there that holds my planners, my typewriter, and some more bins.